Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. Something a little different for the work on our Grummans. If you have tools that are in your toolbox that are getting rusty, you can take apart scissors like this, picks for picking out gaskets and stuff like that, and they tend to rust and get a little dirty over the years. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we clean them here using a big Harbor Freight 18-pound tumbler, and we're going to go put these in there and turn them on, and in about an hour we'll show you what we have in tools, so stand by for a bit more fun. Well, here's the big Harbor Freight tumbler, and what it's filled with is resin acrylic media for rust removal. These are also available at Harbor Freight. These are 5-pound, 2-ounce containers where 2 of them in there. And then all we do is we just throw the tools in. When they come out, they'll have to be dusted and cleaned a little bit to get dust off and then re-oiled. But for the most part, that is what you do with the tumbler. Now we're going to turn it on. This is a very noisy tumbler, so we're not going to film the noise. But stand by for a bit more fun. So here are the tools as they come right out of the tumbler. They're dustier than heck because the acrylic rosin breaks down and knocks off the rust and stuff like that, and you have to clean it, but it's a dry process. You're not using any water in the mix. So now we're going to go ahead and clean these off and dust them and then oil them, and we'll be right back. Stand by. Well, here are the tools. Now they've been wiped down, they've been oiled. We're going to reassemble the scissors, but they did a real good job of getting them clean. A little more dusting is required, but we put oil in all the junctions of the pliers and such. But it's a nice way to clean tools. We're going to make another video. We're going to grab some of our wrenches that are rusty and stuff like that and throw them in and let you see what a good job it does on really parts that are really ugly. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day flying your Grumman.